Hi friends, this is attorney Marina Shepelsky, and I want to talk about those people who just crossed the border applying for asylum using the CBPOne app. They received the parole status, they got their notice to appear for the first court hearing, and they keep checking themselves in the immigration court system and not finding anything there. What to do? What are the steps here? How to proceed properly? So my advice is, since you came in here holding the status of parole, number one, apply for a work authorization. You have parole, you can apply for the C11 category work authorization, and you should get it pretty quickly. Now, under the new regulations, you should get it within like 30, 40 days from applying. Once you get your work permit, you'll get a social security number and you can work, get a driver's license, and go to school legally in the United States. That's the first step. The second step is, remember, when you filed through CBPOne, you asked for asylum in the United States. You basically said it's not safe for you to return to your country. You're being persecuted there for your religion, social group, nationality, political opinion, anything like that. So the first thing was to apply for the work permit. The second is to apply for asylum. File the form I-589 directly with USCIS Asylum Office. And you can find the form online, or you could do it online or on paper. Attach your proofs of abuse in your home country. You can go to a psychologist to show your trauma, whatever your mental state is now. When you entered, you said you need asylum, so apply for asylum. That should be your second step. And then you just keep checking with the court. You might want to have their phone number ready and call them every month or so to see if eventually they will schedule your court hearing. They probably will schedule it as it gets near the time that your parole status ends, because while you're in status, there's really no need for them to put you in removal proceedings. Removal proceedings, deportation proceedings are for those who are out of status. So until you're in parole and status is good, they won't probably start it. But to make sure, keep calling that court every month and making sure they haven't started your court case just yet. People ask me, are you allowed to get an advance parole and travel, leave US and come back while you're waiting? The answer usually is no. So you came in with parole, that type of status doesn't authorize advance parole travel, so you will probably deny. Plus, it could be while you're away that your immigration court case might begin, in which case you basically like self-deported by leaving. So no, I don't recommend getting an advance parole while you're waiting for your asylum case filed and for the immigration court to be opened for you. Some other things you should do is make sure you get your work permit, your social. If you move since you entered and the address that is on your notice to appear, your immigration court invitation letter, is no longer your address, you have to change your address online. There's a special EOIR change of address website, and I recommend printing it out and sending a copy to the court, the original court where you were supposed to go, and a copy to the OPLA ICE attorneys also, so they update their own file with the new address. And if your court case soon will be opened, it should be opened according to where you live now, your new address. Change of address with EOIR, that's the overhead organization over all the immigration courts, is very important, because they might be sending you letters that you just won't receive. So that's my advice. I hope you guys share this video. I hope you find it useful. And if you have any immigration questions, give us a call for a consultation today. We're open to new clients and we welcome your business. See you soon.